Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn Docker Compose, Postgres and the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create a project. So let's go to the terminal and let's move to back of this one. And here I'm going to create a new project, that is post node. Okay, so let's go to the post node over here and do with the npm init y for the package.json. Okay, then create a file touch node app.js. Okay, and install the nodemon npm I nodemon for checking the server is working with right. Next we have to create a docker file, also touch docker file, and we also require the docker compose also. So let me rename this one. So let's add this file also, touch docker compose. Done. Let's open the code base with help of this. Okay, so let's open the Node.js project. So we have a docker compose, so let's copy this one. So here we need to set each and everything over here. So this is our full-fledged docker file for the PostgreSQL. Okay, let me compile this. So here you can see that the services we are using Postgres latest environment Postgres user. So I'm going to use my Postgres. Let's put this admin or root password, or we can make it root. Admin is okay. Admin password Postgres DB should be test DB. Okay, I need to go with the port a different one because on my local machine I have already installed the port 5432 allocated with the PostgreSQL, right? So I don't want to mismatch with that one. Okay, Postgres volume. So by default varlay Postgres data is added over here. Okay, then we have a Node.js project. Then I want to give it will be doing because I'm in the current directory. So make a dot over here. Port I want to make it like listening to the 4000 to 3000, right? Okay, and here I need to add the Postgres. Your username would be root admin, and your password would be password, and here we am connected with this one. Your database name is testdb, right? Testdb. Okay, volumes, that is Postgres data, right? In the previous one we have done with the driver local, right? Now we have the docker file, so let's copy this docker file and paste it over here. Docker file for the Node.js part. Okay, so here we are going with the npm run start, and let's go to the packet.json to add a nodemon because nodemon we already added. Let's add the script file over here where I have added the script one. Okay, no worries, we have already in the previous code. Let's copy this one script. So here we have the script file, so let's add it over here. So let's this is done. Let's move to the terminal. Okay, and here we have to run sudo docker compose up. Okay, this is the command. So whatever changes we one thing in the app.js file, I think we haven't added nothing over here. Okay, so let's add it. App.js file over here, so I'm going to copy this and add it over here. So I think express we need to install, and the port is 4000 we are running. And here in the docker file also, let's expose the port 4000. Okay, and docker compose yml 4000 is added, right? Done. And let's install the express also. So we need to go with the npm I express. Okay, so this is to be installed. Now we have to go with sudo docker compose up. Let's add the password. Okay, so here you can see image and everything. I think the database is created. Let's check this one. So let's go with here. Let's connect to the database if it is created or not. Let's execute this container first. So docker ps to check the image of the Postgres. So sudo docker ps. So I need to add with this password, and which is my Postgres node is this one. Okay, so let me copy this and let's go and paste it over here with my id. Execute interactive Postgres username. I think admin is there, and the database is I think database is testdb, right? Testdb. Okay, so let's go and execute this command. Sudo. So here you can see we are in the testdb, right? That means database is already created. Okay, if I go with exit and just go with here admin hyphen p, then what option requires an argument. In means that we have to go with the only with this PSQL username admin and the database, then it is connected. It doesn't require the password. I think we have a connection string, right? So if I go back over here, here you can see we are, and if we go with the tables, like show the tables like this, I think the tables are empty currently. Okay, so did not find any relations, right? So don't have this one. So that means connection part is done, right? So we will extend this one in the later video. Okay, so to see that one, or let me add the seeding file also, so we will sure that the everything is working fine. Just give me a second for that one. Let me seed something over. So here you can see that I have created the SQL dump folder. In the c.sql I'm going to create a table. Okay, and here I'm going to insert the users table, the data. Okay, so let's try to do this one. That means the connection and everything is working fine or not. So this is that one, and in the docker-compose.yml just need to add the SQL dump docker entry point to exit in it. Okay, so let's go and check this one. So here I'm first I have to restart and make a new fresh one. So there is a command. Let me go and check this one. What is the command of that one? So I think the command is, no, I think here we go with this one. Yeah, this is that one, compose down hyphen v. So let me do that first. Control C. So sudo docker compose down v. So here you can see that v flag removes the volumes associated with the containers. Fresh start I'm going to do. Okay, so this is done. After this we have to go with the docker compose app command. Okay, so let's enter this and let's see the database is created and a table are created or not, and the connectivity is done or not. Let's go and check it over here. So first let me go with docker ps and postgres latest one. I have this one. Okay, let's add this. Okay, so here we go with this one. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, done. Let's, we are in the test db. Let's show the tables. Okay, so here we have the command for the tables slash dt, because users table should be there and the data should be there, right? And now you can see the row users table, right? Here you can see we have created the users table, right? So here you can see that we have successfully checked this one, that we have created the tables, and if you find the records you can also check the records. Okay, let me give me a check also. Let me check this. So here you can see that with the help of the select start from the users, you are able to go with, you can see this records we have inserted in the db sql, right? So here you can see .sql, this John Doe and the Jane Smith, right? So this is, that means connection is done, username password is correct, database is created, connection with the Node.js part is also done. And if you can see that here, this is our Node.js part, right? And If I go with here, and here you can see starting, I think NodeMon is working, watching the node starting Node.js app, server created, build is done. So you can see here where we are in. Okay, so here you can see the connectivity and the database part is done. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.